Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Some days ago, I bought a FLYSKY FS-i66 radio controller and I was thinking to make my new project. If I make a project using this one, how it will be? I think it is a good option. Okay, let's do it. Making this project needs some components that I will show in the video. At first, solder the motor wires one by one. After completing the soldering process, then mount the motors with the motor mounters using a couple of screws and nuts. After completing this process, then assemble the chassis. Oh, it's look very beautiful. Okay, now mount the upper portion of the chassis. Then mount the Arduino on the upper portion of chassis using 3 screws. Then connect the motor driver with Arduino. After that, connect the motors with the motor driver and tighten the screws properly. After connect the motor wires, then mount the receiver using a dual side tape and connect the receiver with the Arduino. The connection is very simple, just connect the receiver's eyeballs to the Arduino according to the diagram. After completing the connection process, then mount the battery holder on the chassis. Then connect the positive and negative pin of the battery with the Arduino and tighten the screws properly. After completing the all connection, then connect Arduino with PC and upload the code using Arduino IDE software. Then mount the rubber wheels one by one. At last, connect two batteries. The receiver's LED is blinking, it's mean the bad boy is good to go. Now the project is completed, hope you like the final result. Okay guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.